Hi everyone, here is KSTYLEyo. My name is Inyoung. I'm here to present to you a new weekly video featuring whiteboard animation for you to improve your Korean. It's coming up. Do you have very busy life? What are the ways to reduce your stress? This brings us a topic today that you're gonna see two people having a dialogue and one person is asking a friend how frequently she goes to the gym. Let's get started. 얼마나 자주 헬스장에 가세요? 일주일에 3번씩이요. 주로 어떤 운동 하세요? 근력 운동해요. Let's find out the direct meanings. 얼마나, how much, 자주, frequently. When 얼마나 and 자주 are used together, you can interpret it as how frequently. 헬스장. This is actually health. 장 means public place. When it's used 헬스장, it means gym. 에 is location particle. 가 is from 가다 verb as dictionary form to go. 세요 means please. When it's used in a question, it just makes the sentence more polite. This phrase translates to how frequently do you go to the gym? 1 is 1 in Chinese number system. 주일 is week. 에 time particle. You can interpret at, which is time particle, as per in this phrase. 세 is Korean number system, which is coming from set. You're going to remove s underneath and add 번, which means times. 식 has a meaning of each. 이요 is just polite ending after noun that ends with a consonant. This phrase translates to 3 times per week. Here is the KSTYLEyo official website where there are many free courses. Subscribe to the newsletter so that you get a summarized grammar of each weekly video. Enjoy! 주로, usually, 어떤, what kind of. You can think of it as which kind of as well. 운동하 is from 운동하다 as dictionary form to exercise, which is actually noun plus do. 운동 is exercise as a noun and do is a verb to do. 세요 is the same thing I mentioned. Usually it means please. In question, it makes the sentence more polite. This phrase translates to what kind of exercise do you usually do? 근력, 근 is from 근육, which is muscle. 력 has a meaning of strength. 운동해요 is same verb, 운동하다 as dictionary form, to exercise. This phrase translates to I exercise muscular strength. Pretty much in English, it means I lift. For those of you who like to respond to the question by cardio exercise, you can say 유산소 운동해요. Let's hear the dialogue one more time. Please repeat after me. 얼마나 자주 헬스장에 가세요? 일주일에 3번씩이요. 주로 어떤 운동 하세요? 근력 운동해요. If you like the content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any single new video. And make sure to follow my Instagram called KSTYLEyo as well. And if you have any questions or thoughts, please comment down below and I see you guys next time. Bye bye!